Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fort Branch, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is above 50 miles. Therefore, you're making a long-distance move if your destination is 50 miles and above. But we've got you covered. If the relocation takes you outside the state, we can handle the complexities of such a transfer. We have a good working relationship with the federal and state authorities that make it easy to go this distance. Not only that, we have insurance policies on the ground that protects the clients from all risks, liabilities, and during and after the move. Also, these ensure the safety and security of the property while moving to your new destination. Our local movers are also the best and most efficient around you in Fort Branch. They are also professionals with extreme levels of training and are also well equipped to take you and your belongings through the locality. No matter how bustling the streets are, we are sure to get you there in one piece. We charge about $30 to $40 per hour, which is very affordable. Our drivers are also responsible and registered, and they ensure that the customer's needs come first. We can also help you get to your destination in record time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fort Branch moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.